Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how you can pass parameter in pipe, and in the previous video I have shown the basic uses of pipe. So if you don't know what is pipe, then you can watch my previous video, so you can go to the description. I have added the link of this video, and in this video I will show the parameter used in pipe. So let's see. So for that I will go to the Visual Studio Code, and first of all I will show how you can pass parameter in date pipe. So I will go to the TS file and I will scroll the page, and below the ng on init you can see here ng on init. So below the ng on init I will create a date object for date. So first of all I will write here a variable. The variable name is birthday. You can write here any name of this variable, and equals to new is the keyword, and I will create an object. So date object. So date is the object, and you can see here D is the capital of date object, and in the parenthesis you can write here any date. So I will write here 1990 comma 14 comma 4 and semicolon to separate this line. And now I will go to the HTML file to display this date. So I will copy this birthday variable, and here first of all I will write here the p tag and double curly braces for interpolation. When we want to display a value, then we use double curly braces for interpolation, and I will paste the birthday variable. And now I will write here the simple date pipe. So the pipe sign and the pipe name is date, and now I will press Ctrl S to save, and I will go to the browser. You can see here is the date March 4 1991, and now if I remove the date pipe, then you can see what happened. You can see the date is changed. Here is the full format of date. So now I will add here simple date pipe. So the pipe sign and date, and now I will add a parameter in this date pipe. So I will copy this and I will paste here, and now I will add a parameter. So for that, colon single inverted comma, and I will pass here full date. So D is the capital of full date, and now if I press Ctrl S to save, and I will go to the browser, and you can see the format is changed. So here you can see the full format Monday March 4 1991. So I will add a heading to understand H6 tag, and this is the date pipe, and this is the parameter of date pipe. So H6 tag and date full date parameter. And now I will show the month, date and year format. So I will copy this and I will paste here, and I will show this format month, date and Y for year. You can see double M is capital of month, and now I will copy this parameter and I will paste this instead of full date, and I will press Ctrl S to save, and you can see here is the date, month and year format. So first is the simple date pipe, you can see, and next is the full date parameter I passed in the date pipe. So you can see the change, and the another is month, date, year parameter which I passed in the date pipe. So you can see the change. And now I will show how you can pass parameter in slice pipe. So for that I will go to the Visual Studio Code, and here I will create another variable. So the variable name is title. You can write any name of this variable, and I will set the type is string equals to add a string value. So I will use the double inverted comma, and the value is welcome, and the semicolon to separate this line. And I will also set the type in birthday variable any. So when we use a variable, then always set the type. This is the good practice. And now I will display the value of title variable. So in the HTML file in the p tag double curly braces for interpolation, and I will paste the variable title. And now here I will add a heading also, h6 tag, and the heading is value of title variable. Now you can see here in the browser, I was forget to save. So now you can see here is the displaying the simple value of title variable. If I now add slice pipe, so I will copy this and I will scroll this. So here I will paste and I will add a heading slice pipe use parameter. So now I will add a slice pipe. So the pipe name is slice and colon, and I will add a parameter. So the parameter is 0 colon 4. So let's see what happened. So you can see the first of the simple value of title variable. So it displaying welcome. But now I use slice pipe and the parameter is 0 colon 4. That means it slice the word 0 to 4. So you can see here displaying WELC 0 to 4 word. And now if I add 0 colon 5, then you can see here 0 to 5 word is displaying. And now if I add 1 to 5, then you can see you displaying 1 to 5 word. And now also how you can add parameter in currency pipe. So for that I have to add a variable, and the variable name is a, and I will set the type is number equals to, and the number is 0.259. You can write any number, and I will copy this variable a, and here the p tag and double curly braces for interpolation, and I will paste the variable a, and here I will add the simple heading. This is the value of a variable. So now I will go to the browser. You can see here it's showing the simple value which I add in the TS file. But now if I add the currency pipe, so I will copy this and here I will paste. So this now I will add a currency pipe, so I will add heading currency. So now the pipe sign and the pipe name is currency. So you can see the difference. So you can see here this is the simple value of a variable and this is the currency pipe. So you can see the changes. It's added currency sign, the dollar sign, and it's rounded figure to 0.26. And now I will add parameter in the currency pipe. So I will copy this and I will paste here, and here I will write the a heading is currency pipe use CAD parameter. So now I will add a CAD parameter. So for that colon, and the parameter name is CAD. So into the inverted comma CAD. The CAD is capital letter. So now I will go to the browser, and you can see this is the currency pipe to use CAD parameter. So here you can see it's added CA dollar sign and 0.26. So now you can see the changes, and now I will add here CAD and code parameter. So here CAD and code parameter. So CAD colon inverted comma, and here I will write code. Now you can see the difference. So you can see here is the difference. So when I have written CAD and also code parameter, then you can see it's showing the CAD before the value. And now I will show the another parameter in the currency pipe. So I will copy this and again I will paste, and I will pass here symbol. So symbol and pass the value 4.2 minus 2. So let's see when I pass this parameter. So symbol, instead of code I will paste the symbol and colon and inverted comma and 4.2 minus 2. Let's see what happens. So you can see it's added CA and dollar sign, and I used 4.2 minus 2. You can see here. So it's added 4 number before the point. So here is the point and added 4 number. So 00040 and 0.26. And the another parameter in the currency pipe is CAD and symbol hyphen narrow. So if I use this parameter, then let's see what happens. So you can see here only dollar sign and the added 4 number before the point, because I added 4.2 minus 2. So after the point it's displaying 2 number, and before the point it displaying 4 number, because I write the parameter here 4.2 minus 2. So hope guys this video is helpful to you, and if you like this video then please subscribe our channel and press the notification bell icon to get more videos of Angular.